आज एक और हमारा दोस्त है, उसका रिकवरी का बर्थडे है और ईश्वर की कृपा से देखो यार, हम तो काफी टाइम से उसके टच में थे नहीं। वो भी मेरे ख्याल से बाहर चला गया था, पहले नोएडा, फिर लॉकडाउन के बाद शायद वापस आया इधर। तो ये देखो, जब इंसान जो है नशा कर रहा होता है कितना सेल्फिश होता है। वो अपने बच्चों तक को, घर, माँ बाप, किसी को नहीं देखता, लेकिन सिर्फ नशा छोड़ने के बाद आज उसे देखो हमारी भी याद है। तो ये चावल, चिकन वगैरह ये सब को आप काफी टाइम से देखते ही हैं, लेकिन ये इसकी हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी वैल्यू है यार। ये आम आदमी के लिए कुछ भी हो, पर हमारे लिए एक तरीके से डायरेक्ट ईश्वर का प्रसाद है ये, कि हम पे कोई बच्चा आया था और आज वो अपने जीवन में अच्छे रास्ते पे लग गया है। तो इससे बड़ी हमारे लिए कोई खुशखबरी नहीं होती। और क्योंकि वो इस टाइम पे एक कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में काम कर रहा है, तो मैं जस्ट उससे ऐसी बात करवाता हूँ आपकी। आप लोग समझदार हैं, सब समझते ही हैं। बाकी ये खाना वाना बन रहा है। आओ रोहित, इधर आओ। कितने साल नशा करा रोहित
भाई जी? 2012 में मेरी स्कूलिंग हो गई थी। देन आफ्टर दैट आई हैव enjoyed means alcohol, bad activities, attitude problem. So it takes around 5 to 6 years into continuing this activity.
Right.
But when I heard about the last rehab, I came one day before joining with my sister, mother, father. So I like the place. It is quite greenery, silent, like meditation kind of place. So I really like the place, and there is a rule: we cannot go inside without taking admission into the program. So I decided to take admission, and the very next day, my sister told me that you have made a good decision. Just go there, analyze your mistakes, and after coming here, I met up with Dimri Sarji. He is with me right now. So, jo means whatever I have taken program over here, I take very seriously. In starting, I was very angry ki what I am right now, where I am. I'm not enjoying, because I was in habit that time, enjoying taking alcohol, whatever I was doing that time. So I was in habit. So it was a bit difficult for me to survive over here. But that is a good thing is with me is I used to share my sharing that I have done these things in the past, and whatever the program told me, the Dimri Bhaiji in the last session around at 8:30 or 9 p.m. in the night, he used to come and spend 1 hour with us. So I used to share my thoughts that Bhaiji, today I feel this kind of thing. Like suppose for example, I feel ki Bhaiji, I'm not enjoying these thoughts are coming in my mind. So Bhaiji used to give me his precious suggestions that helped me a lot to overcome my recovery, means to came back into track. And I want to thank first of all God, my parents, the center, and Dimri Bhaiji a lot. I was not in touch with the center. I came after 2 years over here, but I was in the rehabber group of WhatsApp. Yes. Through there, I got notifications.
Yes.
Sometimes I did not see notification by opening the group, but I felt that I am connected and the notifications are coming. So, in that way, it helped me a lot to be in recovery. And in between, like festival time, Diwali, New Year, or whatever, I used to speak with Dimri Bhaiji that Bhaiji, wishing you a very happy Diwali, happy New Year, whatever it
many
was.
Many times, yes.
Yeah, many times I
received your message at my birthday time.
Yes, absolutely,
yeah.
Bhaiji.
Yeah.
So that helped me a lot. So I observed myself that in this phase, I keep myself into the track. If possible, I used to came after 6 months, but I don't have to show off that time. I have to analyze myself till 1 year or 2 year, for example. So I decided today that I am in a right track. I observe my parents are happy these days. I am telling everything up, considering whatever I am doing in my life. I discuss with my parents, and then only I do the things. Today I came over here 2 days back. I take confirmation from Dimri Bhaiji that Bhaiji, these things, I am in a right track, and I want to thanks. In the appreciation of thanks, I want to give a small party. It's just a small thing for me. Means small means we are whatever we are earning, it's a kind of gift from center, from God, from
yes.
parents.
Yes.
So I want to thank. I have spent 3 precious months over here. So
and also this is the it is some type of removing our shortcoming like selfishness.
Absolutely.
We are actually working on the
right,
selfishness. Right?
Right.
This time you remembering the rehabilitations you came here.
Yes.
It means a very lot for us.
Yes.
Because when a person is trying to help other person, if you went from here, right? And next time you came here, next time you are coming here, what you are spreading the message.
Yes.
Like you are spreading a message to another alcoholic that this place is a good place, not a bad place. Right?
Yes, absolutely. Good thing already told by Dimri ji. So I want to add one thing. Before joining the rehab, I used to listen that rehab is only for alcoholism and like that. It is okay. We do agree on that. But till the time you practically did not come over here and you just change your thinking by listening others, that is not a right decision. You just practically come over here, spend time, whatever program, like suppose 1 month, 3 months, at least 3 months, because 6 year bad activities cannot.
Sorry, message is only for the suffering alcoholics and addicts.
Addicts, yeah, important thing. We are absolutely.
We are just saying this. We actually want to share this video to the alcoholics or addicts who they are still suffering, or to their parents.
Yes. So I just want to give message, whoever are suffering from alcoholism or any kind of thing, bad activities that are affecting their career, their life, their relationship with their relatives or parents. So they just practically counsel with Dimri ji that share everything, whatever you have doing or still doing, so that it can help to understand your career in a better way. So what can help we can do from our end. Because without analyzing you cannot be possible. So main thing is you just share all the things with you and practically come over here, then you can take decision upon it.
Good, and congratulations, many return of the day, and keep doing good work.
Yeah, absolutely, Bhaiji. We'll be in touch with you. Thank you so much for taking out whatever time we are spending right now. Yes. Thank you so much for that.
Our best wishes is always with you, right?
Yeah, we'll be in touch. Thank you so much.
Bye everyone.